May 3rd, 2018, 7:43 p.m. Oh yeah, that's the normal around here. Get this on the tripod. Might be able to catch him. Let's see where he comes out at. Oh yeah. Sun's getting ready to go down. Oh yeah. I got you. All right. Very, very, very weird looking sun. Gonna have to hit the welding lens on this one. I want to check this out. Oh, that's why there's a big chem cloud cutting through it. There we go. Yeah. Alright. Getting pretty close to the sun's gonna be going down. Don't know if I'm gonna get it with all these chem clouds. We'll see what happens. Pull this down. Yeah, I kind of like it better the other way. Pre-sundown with the filter. Alright, peace out.